me start with this. Let's look at this packaging. This is Instant Natural. They do a great job of their packaging. They're awesome. It's not particularly difficult packaging. They've just done a really nice job. Packaging on Amazon has to be different to packaging in a retail environment. Why? Well, in a retail environment, you can pick up the product, look at it, and you get the whole product and you get the whole look and feel of the product immediately. Your packaging on Amazon, for instance, on Amazon, let's just do a search for vitamin C serum. Graphic designers, generally speaking, hate me because I, generally speaking, say graphic designers don't know what the hell they're doing when it comes to selling stuff on Amazon. So let's look at these packages, okay? Yeah, I'm going to show you this. It's okay. I can show you this. So your packaging should be, I believe, as simple as possible for Amazon, because the game on Amazon, the whole game on Amazon, to make a lot of money on Amazon, is to get your product onto this page, page 1, for your main search term that you're trying to rank for, and then to get people to click through from this page through to your product listing. That is the game on Amazon. The more the better you can accomplish that, the more money you will make on Amazon. So, with that being said, it stands to reason that your product packaging should not be designed to optimize for when the end user gets it. It should be optimized and designed to get clicks at this point. And that is anathema to most graphic designers, because the way that you design to get clicks at this point is by keeping things simple. Very, very elegantly designed, super beautiful graphics do not work so well on Amazon. The things that work really, really well on Amazon is clean, simple, and if you're paying attention to here, look at this search term, vitamin C serum. I always put my main search term that I'm trying to rank for front and center on my packaging. So this here, vitamin C serum, very huge. Super vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum. Vitamin C plus. That's where it should be. Most graphic designers want to design products like this. So this is actually a terrible image. The designer probably loves it, but it's actually terrible because the vitamin C serum is very difficult to read. It's very difficult to read. And so whilst it looks good for a designer, it's terrible for Amazon. So with that little prelude being said, you now have a few choices. So let's go to the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So back in our files section, you want to go to recommended suppliers. Scrolly, scrolly, danny, danny. Graphic designers for packaging. Those are the two that I have used in the past. So Jojo Master is on Fiverr. He's done loads and loads of stuff, okay? Loads and loads of stuff. He's a very solid graphic designer. He is not super, super creative, but I'm going to encourage you not to get super creative, super fancy. That's good for retail environments. For Amazon, simple is best. Simple is best. So Jojo Master is good. Also, who I'm going to start using now, because they've just introduced it, is Go Mibby. So this is Mick Kelly. He's just beta testing packaging design and stuff like that. Let's see if he's got it on his website yet. Product packaging, here we go. So he's just beta testing this. And this is who I'm going to use going forward. Mick's stuff. Mick is awesome. He does a great job. That's who I'm going to start using. If you want, but it won't be as cheap as Jojo Master, whatever his name was. Won't be as cheap as that. So, final thing to share with you is this. Your graphic designer is only as good as the brief that you give them. Your graphic designer is only as good, and this is true for all people, not just graphic designers, is only as good as the brief that you give them. So if you do a piss poor job of your brief and you just say, hey, I want a packaging design for some vitamin C serum, you should expect a result commensurate with the amount of effort that you have put in. You should expect a result commensurate with the amount of effort you have put in. If, however, you go to your graphic designer and you give them a proper brief, you say, here's who I'm selling to, here's the marketing I'm selling to. Well, let me show you one of my briefs. Then we can hopefully kind of show you some stuff. Now, you're probably going to say, hey, Neil, can I have a copy of this? The answer is no, you cannot have a copy of this. Oh, that's a bit of a pain. Oh, I know why. It's because I've done that. Here you go. So here's one of our brand docs that we did for a product. And I took some screen grabs of products that I liked. And I said, here's what I like about this. Here's what I want you to do. You do this too. I want you to put the main benefits of the product there. I want you to put the brand name there. I want the product name there. I want the main ingredients there. So I kind of said, here's what to do. Here's a brand that I really like. Here's something I really like. Here's what I want, etc., etc., etc. I then gave them brand story, including brand colors that I want using. I also gave them, what else did I give them? One other thing. A style. So we gave them a brand doc, we gave them a style sheet, we gave them a briefing document that we put together for our target market that we wanted to have on it, etc., etc. We just went to the nth degree to make our designer's job as easy as possible, so they didn't have to figure out what we were trying to achieve. We told them what we were trying to achieve, and they used their skills as graphic artists to achieve that. Okay? They're not marketers. They don't know our market. They don't know our product. They don't know our audience. They don't know anything at all about what we're doing. That's us. So we tell them. Then they get to put together packaging commensurate with our brief. And that's how you get good results. So, with that being said, if you don't want to go to the trouble of doing good briefing documents, then you should pay more for your graphic artists and get a good graphic artist, and they will do all that for you. But if you want to save money, you do it and then get somebody like Jojo Master or Alvaro. They can do it for you. So that's how you get the best possible outcome for the least amount of money. That's how you do that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.